Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add the Tik Tok pixel to Shopify. To get started, let's head over to ads.tiktok.com and log in to your account. Once you're on the platform, we're going to head over to Library from the top menu and click on Event. This is where you find your TikTok pixel. Click Manage on Website Pixel. And then we're going to click Create Pixel to get our pixel code. Select Manual Pixel Installation, and we'll name this whatever you want. I'm just going to name this Test 10. And you're going to arrive at a screen that gives you your pixel code, so go ahead and copy that. Now we need to add this to Shopify. So head over to your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, and from your active theme, Actions, Edit Code. And this is going to bring us to our Shopify code editor. Click on theme.liquid. This is where we're going to add our base tag. We want to add it right before the closing head tag, which looks just like this, and we're going to paste it here. Now click Save on theme.liquid, and we have the basic tag in Shopify. Now that we're done adding the pixel to your theme.liquid, let's head over to your checkout settings, because we also need to add this tag there as well. So go to Settings from the bottom left corner. Now go to Checkout, and we're going to scroll down to the additional scripts box. And to the end of your additional scripts, we're going to add our TikTok pixel. So go ahead and hit save, and we're good on the Shopify side. Now let's head back over to the Events Manager and get our events set up. Click on Next, and then we're going to select e-commerce events. They give us 4 default events here, but we're only going to need complete payment. Place and order is basically the same thing, so one purchase event is enough. Click Continue to set up event rules. Now we have to tell the pixel how we want each tracking method to activate. For the product details page browse, this is pretty simple. We're just going to use the destination URL. Click Add Page Browsing Rule. And for Rule 1, under Page URL Contains, we're going to put in /products. Click Save, and we'll move on to Add to Cart. For Add to Cart, we're going to need the TikTok Pixel Helper for Chrome, and I've linked that in the description. So head over to that and add it to Chrome. And then we'll need the URL for your product. Any product, they're all pretty standard. So in our example, we're just going to grab a random URL from our sample store. And in website URL on the left, we're going to add that and click Update. Now we want to select Click Events, so TikTok knows that we want to find an element on this page. And I will scroll down to find the Add to Cart event. Click the button and click Save to track this element. Now whenever someone clicks on this Add to Cart button, TikTok will send the Add to Cart event for you. Now let's do the complete payment event. And this is our last one here. So this is going to be a destination URL. And we're going to click Add Page Browsing Rule. We're going to add a new rule to complete payment. And for this rule, we want the page URL to contain the following: /thank_you. And this is going to match your Shopify thank you page. Now, if you're using a checkout app like One Click Upsell or something else that replaces your Shopify checkout, you'll have a different rule here. But this should cover the majority of Shopify stores. Now that we're done adding the complete payment event, we're all set on the TikTok side. Hit complete. And that's it. You have your tracking set up for TikTok. Don't want to install the TikTok pixel yourself? Civil Pixels can take care of this for you in 5 minutes or less. All it takes is a little setup and we'll do all the coding. Try it free for 7 days, exclusively for Shopify.